Hello, welcome in MGT 2.0. This is the new version of MGT. It's a 2.0 with a new feature because you will be able to apply dynamic gravity in a multiplayer game, dynamic gravity with objects, with AI bots, and you will be able to deploy this inside your project. So you will be able to deploy a component inside your character to use it on your custom character. So I will show you how to use MGT to apply your dynamic gravity inside your own project. Let's go. I just ensure, okay, it's recording. First thing you have to do is to open MGT, to buy MGT because it's a paid plugin, and to download it, and then click on MGT, right click and click on migrate, click OK. And now here I have a third person project. It's a classic one, a third person empty project, and select the content folder and click here. Don't worry with this, it will work. This is just because you have some duplicate content in the third person, so don't worry, it will work in your project. So you can just put it like this, and this is the third person project. So if I go here, I have MGT inside, but I will just restart it before because I want to be sure all have been taken. So I open it again, and then okay, as you can see, it's a classic third-person project. I can move to show you. Okay, now how to use it. First of all, I will show you that MGT is already working inside your project. Because if you go to Content MGT Example Map, MGT is working and you can use the gravity inside your project. Okay, now I will show you how to use it inside your map with your own character. So go in your content folder. For me, it's the third person. Okay, I look for the map. Yes, it's here. Okay, first of all, delete this character because MGT will spawn one for you. If you want to spawn at this place, just put a player start here and the player will spawn here. Okay, first of all, you have to parameter your character to make it work with MGT. So if you want to make it work with MGT, the first thing you have to do is to define the player controller for MGT. Here you will not be able to access this. This word settings section is able to find here. Click on Window, click on Word settings, and you will have this window. Here to have a game mode override, you have two choices. The first choice, if you don't have a game mode, your own game mode, you can select here the MGT game mode, and it will parameter all of things. But if you don't want, you just click None, create your own game mode bus, GM custom game mode, and here select your game mode. So if you already have a game mode, you can keep it. But the only thing you have to change is here, you have to check for MGT player controller and select the MGT player controller, not this one, not the voxel one, but the player controller one. And then here you can select your own player. Okay, the third person character, for example, in my case, it's a third person character. Now, to use my third person character with MGT, if you click here, you will see I can't move. It's normal because you have something else to do. Go inside your third person, you're inside your player, go in event graph, okay, and here you have to select class settings, and here you have to add MGT. Okay, then click on add component and click and look for MGT. Select the MGT player component. Okay, no, it's not finished. You just have to go back here in your map, go in content, MGT, go in blueprint, in player, and open this player. Here you have some code. This code, you have just these 3 nodes to copy inside your player. Copy just these 3 nodes. It's copy and go in back and okay, CTRL-V. Sorry for my English level. If you did it right, you should have here MGT request and here MGT jump anim notify. If you don't have this, it's because you did you copy this code before doing before implemented this interface. So last thing you have to do is to define player equipment. So double click on this node and replace the ping. Okay, do this. Just double click here, and here you have a cast to replace with your own cast. So this just take a link from here and cast to and select the class of your player. In my case, is third person character. So okay, you can delete this and this, cast here, get the follow camera and get the camera boom. Connect like this. Et voila. Okay, when you will click, okay, just before, you will need a gravity generator because if you click here, you have only the player. You can move, you can jump, but you don't have any gravity. So you will need to have a gravity generator, but before this, I will show you how. Here you have a far away camera. It's normal, but I will show you how to get the camera you want. So go inside the AC MGT where you change the pink node, and here look for a place where you have player configuration. Here you have a place with target arm length. You can just put it at 60, oh, not 600 maybe, and here if you play, as you can see, it's the same than the third person, the original one. Okay, now if you want some gravity, you just have to add some gravity generator inside your map. So go inside content MGT blueprint, gravity generator, and select a giant generator. Here you can select this one, put it for example here, go in details, and I will give it a size, oh sorry, lock here the locker, because, and here you can add a big sphere. Okay, and now you will be able to see this sphere. Okay, but now to go to this sphere, you will have to add a travel object. This is a gravity selector. So blueprint travel object, add a gravity selector, and I will just resize this to 5. It's okay, like this. This is one of the way you can use to, for example, I can put it here. And here you have to select the where you want to go. So target generator, I will click on here and pick this planet. And now here we go. If I go, I will be able to go to this planet. Okay, now I want to show you one other thing. It's here you have some input in MGT. This is MGT and this is your project. So in input, go in input, and here, as you can see, you have 2 more actions. So you can add this action in your project. Just copy here shoot and here, and copy switch view and put it here, and here it's left mouse button, but you can also select another one. And here it's, for me, it's R in my keyboard, and I will just change something because I am in AZERTY and not in QWERTY, but you don't have to change this if you have a QWERTY. Yeah, and now I will be able to switch. Okay, if I go to play, I can switch in FPS view, but it's horrible because I was in, and now I am in FPS view. Okay, one other thing I want to show you is that you can you can use a teleporter here, for example 5. Okay, and now I will put a teleporter here, rotate this. First I scale it up, rotate this. Why I rotate it? Because I don't want, if when I will go inside this teleporter, I want my player to be teleported in this one, and my player will have the same rotation as the one for arrival. So now we will configure these two teleporter. This first teleporter has to go to this, so select the targeted teleporter and click here and select this one, and I want the target generator, the generator that will apply the gravity at the arrival, to be this. So okay, if I go here, I will be attracted by this planet and I will be teleported here. And this one, I want to go from this teleporter to this one, and the targeted generator, here is no gravity, it's normal gravity, regular gravity, so I don't want here to have a target generator. I want to go back to regular gravity, so I click here to go back to regular gravity. If I go to play, I am teleported here and I can go back. Oh, I think I had some mistake. Oh, it can be the back to regular gravity is sometimes a little bit buggy. It's an alpha version, so I will improve this. But as you can see, it seems to work. But sometimes you can have some bug. I will improve this, the stability of this. Last thing I want to show you, if you are in your project, for example, take a cube here. Okay, and you can add gravity to this cube. Search for add a component, search for MGT SM gravity here, and click on the gravity generator you want, or maybe not. The cube will be attracted by the first gravity generator it will meet. Okay, so just you have something else to do. Go on the cube, go on static mesh component, and here activate the simulate physics. And last thing you have to do, click on the cube, and here, where is it? You have to apply, search for replicate, and here you have to enable static mesh replicate movement. And now it's okay, your cube has been attracted. I don't know where is it, but it's here, somewhere here. And you can also shoot it, as you can see. Okay, one last thing I want to show you is if I go here in gravity generator and I put another generator, for example here, yes, go in details, no, not 50, 10 it's okay, 10 it's okay, and I will, here you can, yes, like this. Okay, and maybe we can do this cube a little bit bigger. Where is it? Here. 18. Okay. Now I think it's okay. I will show you with two player. Take play as listen server, 2 players, so you will have 1 player and 1 client. I think this is a server, and here, as you can see, I can go I can just jump to go inside the gravity of the cube, and here, if I go there, I can see the server is at the same place as me, and also the cube, the small cube, where is it? Yes, this cube, as you can see, it's at the same place for both the client and both the server. I don't know where is it. Yes, here we can see the cube at the same place for both, because it's MGT, and MGT is magic because it's replicating this position. Okay, you have another tutorial for AI navigation systems. I will let you look at this. I will put the other tutorial in the list just behind this video. I'm really sorry for my English level that is not fluent at all, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't hesitate to talk with me on Discord, and please share this video if you like it. See you later.